Today is Thursday, and I'm looking at Delorean. So, Delorean, what is that? It is an app that's and it tells you which way you're moving. So right now I'm in trading mode. So I'm gonna click on my right here. I see here 10 minutes ago EURNZB was called for sale. You can see that arrow going down. And I look for my 4 steps. Bam, bam, bam. It is a good trade. I sell. So here's my entry price 1.75541. And my take profit is that's 54 pips. So if you're here live and you are for sale, I mean, take at your own risk, but Delorean is pretty accurate. So my stop loss will go here. Okay. About here. Let's move it right here. So that is my stop loss. Stop loss. We gotta protect our account, okay? So here you go. 1.76052 is my stop loss. And my take profit. So I change to green because that's money. Right here. Okay. I'll put just a little bit up. Okay, so right there. So that is my take profit. So from my entry to my stop, okay, so that's 1-to-1 right now. We're risking 49 pips to gain 53 pips. So that's a good risk to reward. So it's an intraday. So right now we'll just take that trade. EURNZD for sale. So guys, this is so easy. You show up at the right time in the Delorean and you just log in at Delorean. I'm refreshing for a minute. So you log in delorean.im/web. You log in with your credentials, and on the right, excuse me, that was my alarm. On the right, um, you see trades that are moving that the market already, Delorean already scanned. And I click on the next one after I've taken that one. So it's calling CHF, that's Swiss franc versus Japanese yen for buy. So I look at my 4-step, bang, bang, bang. This one is not a good trade for me. Let me see where my reward will be. I mean, right now I could have more reward, but it is not looking good for my, let's see here. So my stop loss. Actually, it is a good trade. Hold on. So right here will be my stop loss 109.389. So that will be your stop loss. Usually, if I don't see like the next structure close, I do 20 to 30 pips. So right here, let's see how much that is. From the entry, that is 31 pips. That is okay. But let me see how much we're risking. I don't want to risk more than 50 pips. Okay, from my entry to here. It is also a good risk to reward, so you can go ahead and take this one as well. Make it a tight stop loss. So your entry, let me see this on 15 minutes. Your entries right now, yeah, at 109.764, and take profit will be 110.05, and stop loss is 109.389. Okay, this one is a quick trade. Yeah. So hold on, let me enter it. Okay, so it's about to take off. The last one. So usually I take 3 to 4 trades at a time. So right now I'm gonna refresh to see if I find a new one. Okay, so this one is about to take off. So ERA NCD and CHFJPY is the only 2 trades that I'm taking right now. There are no new trades at the moment. So you got your stop loss and take profits. So that's it for today. We have taken 2 trades and see how it works. Yeah, this one is taking off right now. Yes. Okay, so that's all I need to do. I hope you enjoyed the sessions. To get Delorean, um, you go to whoever referred you to this video or inbox me at trueshift247@gmail.com. So, or you can find me on Instagram, ladybuzz_MAKAS, and I'll help you get started on the Delorean. And also, or you can contact me on this YouTube, or yeah, so you can just reply to the message here, comment I like, and we'll get started. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the best way to trade in the foreign exchange market if you don't have time. Well, even if you have time, you want to spend it with more of your family members, um, or what you like. I mean, I love trading. I also love my time. So, yeah, we are done for today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a blessed day. My name is Antonia. Have a good day.